So this is a 328i X-Drive 2010 BMW. Um, I was having misfires, but my car was like shaking when it was idling. I took a sock or whatever, and you see those here, clean those, right? Clean those. That might be a problem because now that I cleaned it, the car is not shaking anymore. It's not vibrating funny. I pulled the spark plugs and I was checking them to see if there was anything inside. There was nothing. Uh, but yeah, just try. If it misfires, your car vibrates when it's idling or whatever, or when it comes to a stoplight. But just clean those, yeah, right? Clean them, about six of them, and you guys shouldn't have a problem because my car is running really, really good right now because of that simple fix. Peace out.